हेलो, नमस्कार। हम सीड सर्टिफिकेशन टॉपिक पे चर्चा करेंगे। सीड सर्टिफिकेशन बीज प्रमाणीकरण पे। सीड सर्टिफिकेशन is a legally sanctioned system for the quality control of seed multiplication and production. Certificate is granted by a seed certification agency after a seed dealer files an application. Seed certification agency is the legally sanctioned system for quality control of seed in a country. Seed certification is a process designed to maintain and make available to the general public continuous supply of high quality seed and propagating material of released and notified varieties of crop plants. अब हम सीड सर्टिफिकेशन के संक्षिप्त इतिहास पे चर्चा करते हैं। द कंसेप्ट ऑफ सीड सर्टिफिकेशन originated in the beginning of 20th century. The Swedish workers were first to initiate the process of field evolution of seed crop. In the beginning, agronomists and plant breeders visited to the field of progressive farmers who took the seeds of new varieties from them. This initiated the process of field inspection and found to be very helpful in keeping varieties pure in the seed production chain. In India, in 1963, the field evaluation of the seed crop and its certification started with the establishment of National Seed Corporation. In 1966, a legal status was given to the seed certification with the enactment of first Indian Seed Act. In 1968, seed rules were formulated. In 1970, the first official state seed certification agency was established in Maharashtra. In 1974, Karnataka was the first state to establish the seed certification agency as an autonomous body. In 1976, National Seed Projects was launched to establish a state seed corporation. In 2004, the new Seed Act was introduced to replace Seed Act of 1966, and in 2005, the Seed Act 2004 came into force in January 2005. Now there are 20 state seed certification agencies in the country which have been established under the Seed Act 1966. Purpose of seed certification. A well-organized seed certification agency should help in accomplishing the following three main objectives. Three main objectives कौन से हैं? First, the systematic increase of superior varieties. Second, the identification of new varieties and their rapid increase under appropriate and general accepted names. And third, provision for continuous supply of comparable material by careful maintenance. Certified seed, प्रमाणित बीज क्या होता है? Certified seed is produced from foundation registered or certified seed. The certified seed is annually produced by progressive farmers according to standards seed production practices. Requirements of certified seed. Important requirements for seed certification are: first, an improved variety or hybrid. The foremost requirement is the seed must be an improved variety released by either the central or state variety release committee for general cultivation and notified by the Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India. Second, genetic purity. Genetic purity means the absence of seeds of other varieties of the same crop as well as of other crop species. Genetic purity ensures that the seed is of variety under certification and that there is no mixture from other variety or other crops. Physical purity. Next requirement is physical purity. Physical purity implies freedom of seed from inert matter and defective seeds. Inert matter consists of non-living material such as sand, pebbles, soil particles, straw, etc. And defective seeds are those seeds that are broken, diseased, insect infested, shriveled, and unfit for germination. Next requirement, germination. A high percentage of germination is necessary to obtain a good crop stand with the minimum amount of seed. The percentage of germination required for certification is high in a crop like maize 90%, moderate in several other crops like jowar 80%, jowar and rice 80%, and wheat 85%, and relatively low in many other crops like cauliflower 60, cauliflower and bhindi 65%, and carrot and chili 60%. Next requirement is freedom from weed seed. Freedom from weed seed is necessary to prevent weeds from spreading through seeds and to reduce losses caused by weeds. The maximum amount of weed seed permitted is very low. It varies from 0% in crops like maize and tomato and 0.2% in cauliflower, onion, carrot. Next requirement is freedom from disease. The certified seed must be free from seed-borne diseases. If the seed is contaminated with pathogen, it is likely to lead to an epidemic and total loss of crop. Next requirement, optimum moisture content. The seed must be dried to an optimum moisture level for efficient processing and safe storage. The level of optimum moisture varies from one crop species to another. It varies from 13% in case of rice to 7% in case of cauliflower and water. अब हम चर्चा करते हैं सीड सर्टिफिकेशन एजेंसी के बारे में. सीड एक्ट 1966 provides for the establishment of seed certification agencies in each state. The organizational setup of the certification agency includes board of directors, technical and other staffs for operating the program. Functions of seed certification agencies are: first, seed certification agency should be an autonomous body. Seed certification agency should not involve itself in the production and marketing of seed. The seed certification standards and procedures adopted by seed certification agency should be uniform throughout the country. Next अगला फंक्शन इसका है, सीड सर्टिफिकेशन एजेंसी should have close linkage with the technical and other related institutions. The long-term objective should be to operate on no profit and no loss basis. And adequate staff trained in seed certification should be maintained by the seed certification agency. It should have provision for creating adequate facilities for ensuring timely and thorough inspection. And last function, it should serve the interest of seed producers and farmers. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जिस पे हमें चर्चा करनी है वो है सीड सर्टिफिकेशन मेजर्स. सीड सर्टिफिकेशन मेजर्स इंक्लूड्स वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ सीड सोर्स, फील्ड इंस्पेक्शन, सैंपल इंस्पेक्शन, bulk inspection and grow out test. Verification of seed source is first step in seed certification program, and seed of only those varieties which are released and notified is eligible for certification. It ensures the use of high quality true to type seed for sowing of seed crop. Second, measures field inspection. The main purpose of field inspection is to examine 5 things. First, isolation distance. Second, off types. Third, objectionable weeds. Fourth, disease and insect incidence. And fifth, general crop conditions. The field inspections are made by the inspectors of seed certification agency to examine the suitability of crop for certification. The number of field inspections varies from 2 to 4 depending upon crop species. Sample inspection, it refers to assessment of planting value of seed by laboratory test. Bulk inspection, sometimes bulk inspection is carried to check homogeneity of the bulk seed produced as compared with the standard samples. This gives an idea about the genuineness of lot and sample. And last one, measures grow out test. This test is carried out to evaluate the seed for their genuineness to species or varieties or seed-borne infection. Here, the samples drawn from the lots are grown in the field along with the standard checks. Growing plants are observed for the varietal purity. Grow out test helps in the elimination of the substandard seed lot. Phases of seed certification. Seed certification is carried out on six broad phases. First, verification of seed source, class and other requirements of the seed used for raising the seed crop. Second phase, receipt and scrutiny of application. Third phase, inspection of the seed crop in the field to verify the conformity of the prescribed field standards. And fourth phase, supervision at post-harvest stage including processing and packing. Fifth phase, drawing of sample and arranging for analysis to verify conformity to the seed standards. And sixth, last phase, grant of certificate, issue of certificate tag, labeling, sealing. And next last टॉपिक जिस पर हमें चर्चा करनी है वो है मिनिमम सीड सर्टिफिकेशन स्टैंडर्ड. Minimum seed certification standards are standards required for certification of seed by seed certification agency. The minimum seed certification standards can be broadly divided into two groups: general seed certification standards and specific seed certification standards. General seed certification standards aims at outlining the general requirement for the production of genetically pure seeds, and specific crop standards consist of field standards and seed standards. Field standards specify the minimum preceding crop requirements to minimize genetic contamination from disease and volunteer plants, the minimum isolation distance to minimize outcrossing, and third, the number of their seed disease infected plants and the stage of crop to ensure verification of genetic purity and other quality factors. And last है seed standard. The minimum percentage of pure seed and maximum permissible limit of inert matter other crop seeds. Second, the maximum permissible limit for objectionable weed, seed infected by seed-borne diseases to ensure good seed health. And last, specific crop standard is seed standard is the maximum permissible limit of seed moisture content for safe storage of seed.